Hello, my name's Maria and I'm from Tilly Potts Craft Studio, and today we're going to talk about decoupage onto some MDF hearts and also the kits that we have for sale on Tilly Potts' website, tillypots.co.uk. So I'm going to tell you what's in the craft box so you can make your decoupage hearts. So in here you get some white acrylic paint, you get some decoupage glue, a paintbrush, a wooden heart and a choice of napkins. So with your kit you will get to choose napkins. You'll get to choose one napkin from a variety that I have on the website. Some napkins come in different styles with different pictures on each napkin in each corner, where some will come with a repeat pattern. And that's just different napkins and the style that you choose. So now we're going to prepare our heart and paint it. You will need to give yourself a paint palette, or you can use a paper plate or some cardboard just to pour the So what we're going to do is just pour some into our paint palette and then start painting. So I would advise that you paint one side of your heart. This will take about 2 coats. Sometimes 3, but mainly 2, just depends on how thick you put the paint on. So in between each coat, if you make sure you let it dry, also make sure that you paint the back of the heart and also the side of the heart. So this is where we need to place our napkin onto our wooden painted heart. So this is dry now, it's been painted both sides, painted around the edge, and it's dry, so that's taken a couple of hours to dry. So with the napkin, you need to cut out what you want to place onto your heart. So a bee out that I want to place on, and what I'm going to do is just cut around the edges, so it doesn't have to be really close to the edge. Because we've painted the background white and the napkin background is white, then it will, once we stick it on, you won't actually see it. So we've now cut out our bee shapes that we want to put onto the MDF. And we now need our decoupage glue. The napkins come 3-ply. So what we need to do is we only need the top part of the napkin. So what we're going to do is pull off the other 2 layers. And that's another one you can see. So there's the two plies of the napkin. There's the 3rd ply. We only need the top layer. This can be a little bit tricky, so just persevere, but it does come off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to glue them onto our So now the way we're going to place our bees napkins onto our wooden hearts is I always use my finger. You can use a paintbrush if you want to, but I feel that you get better control with your finger. So all I do is just pop a little bit of glue onto my finger and just place it in the middle where I am going to place my first bee. So that's just stuck down a little bit, and then I'm going to do the same for the other bee where I want that. So you don't need a lot of glue, it's just a little bit of glue just to keep it into place, and then the same bit, some more glue. So that's just going to keep it into place so it doesn't move much. What we need to do now is actually we need to seal it and make sure it all sticks to the wooden heart. So again, it's a little bit more glue and we place it on top of the bee. So we don't want to press too hard, we just want a little bit in opposite directions, just making sure everything gets stuck down. There we go. Sometimes the napkin may tear, but don't worry about that. Because we can just stick it back on and you won't see the tear. So it's just being really gentle, not putting too much glue on, but enough so it actually sticks to the wooden heart. So what we can do is we can remove the excess glue with our finger if we've got any, but the most important thing at this moment in time is getting the actual bee stuck down onto the wooden So we've now placed all of the 3 bees onto my heart and stuck them down with the glue and my fingertip. What I would suggest is let it dry and then just get your paintbrush, the one that you use for your acrylic paint, just make sure you've washed it first, and paint the whole of the heart with a little bit of top layer of glue, and that will make sure it's actually sealed. So with your kits, you get to choose a napkin, you get a wooden heart, you get some white acrylic paint, some decoupage glue and a paintbrush, and then you can make your own creation. Thank you for watching my craft video. Keep an eye out because I will be doing lots more on my YouTube channel, and you can also purchase this kit at tillypods.co.uk.